Hi folks, this is Aqib Kazi with Splunk Technical Marketing. So in a previous video, I talked about how Splunk AI Assistant version 2 now has agent mode, which was a groundbreaking feature. Today, I want to talk about one of the other standout features called Teach AI. Now, this is actually a beta feature. The core idea here is that the assistant actually understands your environment before you even type the first question. Let me show you exactly what that means. So here's a question that any network or security admin would genuinely ask. What rejected VPC traffic have we seen today? And which destination ports are getting hit the most? Makes total sense. Now, take a look at the results. Well, zero results. And honestly, it's not the assistant's fault. VPC flow logs do arrive as raw text. Fields like DST port and action simply don't exist until something parses them first. The assistant just didn't know that yet. Now, this is where Teach AI allows an admin to provide additional context. Inside settings, there's a markdown field where an admin describes the environment in plain language. No codes, no pipelines, nothing that needs an engineer to maintain, just straightforward text. So this environment uses AWS VPC flow logs, fields are space delimited, always parse before filtering, just straightforward text. The assistant remembers it every single time from that point forward. So now let's go to a new session. Same question typed in, nothing extra added to the prompt, no special phrasing, no prompt engineering, just the exact same question that came back empty before. Let's take a look at these results. And now look at that. The assistant applied the Rex extraction on its own, filtered on reject, and surfaced the top destination ports ranked by volume. The question that returned zero results before now hands back a complete investigation starting point on the very first try. That is Teach AI working exactly as it should. Go check out Splunk AI Assistant today and see what it can do in your own environment.